You are now locked in to the latest and the greatest on the Android system. This is the channel that gives you information every day in every way possible. Make sure you go ahead and you hit the like button on your way in, subscribe and become a member of the family. Check out the full catalog of videos that I made just for you. Guys, it's your boy Serrano and welcome back to another video. Make sure you stay locked in and I'll see you right after this. Peace. Alright guys, let's just cut open the box and see what we have inside here. We're greeted with the BH2 models. Once we get this thing open, you can see this is the packaging. Now opening up the box, you can see that those are the BH2s. The smartphone Bluetooth headset, a new product with a microphone for mobile phones with a built-in Bluetooth headphone set. Now the BH2 smartphone headset actually does say it's waterproof, IP55, the version of Bluetooth 4.1. It actually says you get music time of 25 to 26 hours, up to 30 hours talk time. You get an operating range of 10 meters, so you can walk at least 10 meters away from the device you're on. It takes 2 hours for charging time. It's also, the microphone is pretty cool, but it does also have active noise cancellation, which is pretty cool. So these are going to be pretty cool to check out. You can see they're actually, you get the nice little ear cushions, which, you know, they're pretty soft. They feel really soft when you to the touch, and you can see they're actually pretty durable here. You also are greeted with the plug if you need to get off of the Bluetooth once the battery goes dead, and you actually can charge them with this little cord here. Let's just take a look at the build right now. Now you can see these kind of look like Sony's or something. They're really premium looking with that matte black finish all around it. Also, you are seeing the buttons that you're greeted with. You can actually use FM radio on here as well. Insert a TF card and actually load up to 10,000 songs, which is pretty cool. But you know, I'm basically using these just for the Bluetooth function and the microphone capabilities for when I'm working and stuff like that. Definitely gonna be utilizing that 25 hours of battery, which is definitely something that was appealing. Also right here, you can see that you are getting a 3D sound effect built in, is what they're claiming, which also transmits really good audio. So you know, they're hyping it up a really good job on the website. Check out the link down below and to see more about these headphones. Alright guys, so I have actually bought products from JAKCOM before. Watch came in this box right here, and you can actually detach the watch from the bracelet and use it as an earpiece. Happy with the quality I was getting from JAKCOM. So I decided to try out their headphones. Headphones say if you actually charge them for 30 minutes, you get 80% percentage of battery. That's actually crazy. That's really good. You also get 8 hours of straight playthrough music, which is actually pretty cool. This is actually the 4.1 Bluetooth, so it's not 5.0, but these are going to offer some really good sound. What it looks like is you get hi-fi sound, you get active noise reduction. Yeah, so far the BH2s are looking really good. So it's time to test out the sound. You also do get USB charging, and also it does come in black and gold. So 25 to 26 music time and 30 hours talk time. So we're gonna test out which one it is. 25 hours of time is crazy. So let's just put that to the test right now. Let's take a look at some of the sound quality we're gonna get from the BH2s. I also forgot to mention that JAKCOM product, that smartwatch that I bought, was the very first video I ever did on YouTube. So, and it was actually one of the most viewed videos I've ever done on YouTube. That video, I had no idea what I was doing in that video. It was an amateur, really, you know, I was learning. It was really my first video. I didn't have any audio equipment or anything, video equipment. I just basically filmed that thing off of my tablet, and from there I just kept going, and here we are now. So I'm reviewing the JAKCOM BH2s. So the very first thing we're gonna do is find the power button. So first we're gonna actually turn on the smartphone right here, and I have a ton of Bluetooth devices, but let's just long press this button right here. And I did hear a woman say power on Bluetooth mode, and now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna locate them. So all we have to do is go right here and go to refresh, and our BH2 should come up right there, and there it is right there. Now I'm gonna put on my very first song with the BH2s, and I'm gonna let you know if these are actually worth the $20 that I spent on them. We're gonna see if this quality is actually just as good as the WB5s that I did review on the channel. And alright, so if you press this button right here, there's actually a radio in here. So you could long press that and get to the radio and select stations right here. And then this is the power button. So alright, let's change the artist real quick. It's on low. Wow, this is going long. Your whole list is flowing wrong. I mean, they're not terrible. They're not trash, but I was spoiled. I was very spoiled when I reviewed the WB5s. I was very spoiled by those headphones because they were my first over-ear wireless headphones, and they like surprised me because I had listened to the Comforts, the Comfort 2s, the Comfort series, and from Bose, and those blew my mind. Then I got the WB5s, and those were actually pretty similar. Now coming to these, you can see the difference. So that's why I'm a little spoiled, and coming off of the WB5s, they're really impressive. So when I listen to these, they're still really good for $20 in my opinion, but they're not as good as the $30 headphones. You can definitely see the difference. So if you only have $20, definitely get these. But if you have at least $30, do it, spend the extra $10 and get the WB5s. This is my honest opinion about the BH2s from JAKCOM, the over-ear wireless headphones. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you stay tuned for more videos just like this. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you check out the full catalog of videos I made just for you. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, have a great night. Peace.